super juicy tomahawk steak on the Traeger pellet smoker. Coming up, let's go.
Welcome to the big ass meat portion of this video. I am cooking a tomahawk steak. Look how beautiful it is. Marbled, just big old piece of meat. What's it about? 3 inches. That's what she said. I'm gonna hit it with that prime steak and that caramelized onion. I'm gonna hit them with both of them. So first I'm gonna hit them with that Kinder seasoning prime steak. And I'm gonna put it on the Traeger, 250 degrees. And look, please put a whole bunch of seasoning on this thick piece of meat because it's gonna need it. Hit it with a little caramelized onion. All right, I already got the Traeger heated up to 250. I'm gonna let this rest, let some of that seasoning kick in for a little bit, and then we'll be right back, folks. A little bit more. The thermometer is tight for sync. Got my one thermometer out. Stick it into the fat piece. All right, folks. Got it out of the Traeger. 130 something, 34 degrees. Got to sit on that butter. Now it's time to let her rest. Ooh-wee. Look at that big pretty rascal right there. Ooh. Look at there. Too easy. Can't find out what that bone is at. Oh yeah, let me get that. And then this, you just gnaw on that right there. Mm-hmm. Boy, this thing is so tender, I probably could have cut it with plastic. Super fatty, flavorful. Folks, that's it. Get you a tomahawk, put it on the Traeger, season it up real good. This is what it looks like when you cook a tomahawk on the Traeger. Let's go.